ज्योति कोचिंग क्लासेस में आप सभी का स्वागत है बच्चों। कैसे हैं आप सभी? उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे होंगे। ये एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन नंबर 1 है। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट आफ्टर 5 सेकेंड। In a setback for civil rights in Russia, its Supreme Court has ordered the closure of the International Memorial Society, one of the country's oldest and most reputed human rights groups. In a ruling on December 28, the court said the NGO known as Memorial was in violation of the Foreign Agent Law and must therefore cease its operations. A day later, a Moscow city court also granted a request to shut down Memorial Human Rights Center, a sister organization started in 1987. One of Memorial's early organizers was Rahul, the dissident physicist who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Starting off as a movement to uncover information about victims of repression in Russia, Memorial grew into a web of civil society groups that ran a museum, a library, an archive, and support centers that together sought to preserve the collective memory of Soviet era repression and help the victims and their family members. Memorial's bases, for instance, contain the names and details of more than 3 million victims and thousands of perpetrators who worked for the Soviet state. The NGO operates on the principle that the most effective bulwark against the return of mass repression is preserving the memory of people's suffering in the nation's totalitarian past. Unlike other former totalitarian states such as East Germany, for instance, where it is the state that has taken on the responsibility of archiving the past in post Soviet Russia, the task fell on independent organizations, the foremost among them being Memorial. Apart from the documentation of the past, Memorial has also been, though its human rights wing, tracking abuses in the present. Some months ago, it published a list of 419 political prisoners kept in jail by the regime of President. It has also been helping hundreds of Russians file cases against government agencies at the European Court of Human Rights. ये स्पीड थी 77 की, लिखी गई होगी, टाइप कर देंगे, वेबसाइट पे लगी हुई है।